In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change risk type on Wealthfront 2225. Step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your risk level if you're using a recommended portfolio and how to switch from a custom portfolio to a recommended one so you can manage risk with a few simple taps. I'll assume you're already signed into your Wealthfront account on the app or web. If you're using a recommended portfolio, start on your automated investing account page. From your dashboard, open that account and choose Edit Portfolio. This is where you control your risk score. To lower the risk score, tap the minus button. Lower risk typically means a more conservative mix with a higher allocation to bonds and less exposure to market swings. To raise the risk score, tap the plus button. Higher risk generally shifts you toward more stocks, which can mean more potential growth along with more volatility. Take a second to review any projected changes Wealthfront shows you so the updated mix matches your comfort level and time horizon. When you're happy with the new risk level, save your changes by selecting Confirm and Continue, then Continue. You'll see a final safety step. Drag the button from left to right to acknowledge an update. That slider serves as your confirmation that you understand the change and want to proceed. After you confirm, Wealthfront may rebalance your holdings to reflect the new target mix. That can involve trades, so it's smart to glance over the summary before finalizing. A quick tip: make small adjustments if you're unsure and revisit your risk periodically as your goals or timeline evolve. If you're using a custom portfolio and want to switch to a recommended portfolio, go back to your automated investing account page. Select Edit Portfolio again, and then choose Switch. You'll see a list of recommended portfolios curated by Wealthfront. Pick the one that best aligns with your desired risk level and investment goals. Recommended portfolios make it easier to manage risk because the allocations are pre-built and automatically maintained for you. To save your new portfolio, select Continue, then Update. Wealthfront will show you what's changing and will handle the transition for you, which may take a little time to complete. Keep an eye on the confirmation screens and review the details before you finalize. That's it. You've learned how to change your risk level with a recommended portfolio and how to switch from a custom portfolio to a recommended one. Keep your risk aligned with your goals and revisit it as life changes.